Hi everyone, and welcome to an all-new tutorial by Sewing with Burda. Today we are going to show you how to sew the perfect beach towel. This chic beach towel is made from terry cloth and has an integrated cushion for comfort, as well as a strap so that you can easily pack it away and carry it with you. In this project we will show you how you can easily add trim, press fasteners and tubular rivets. We're using a cotton terry cloth and a printed cotton fabric for the trim and for the cushion. You will also need sewing thread in a suitable color, polyester filling, a back strap and your usual sewing tools, as well as press fasteners, tubular rivets and the VARIO Creative Tool from Prym. Cut the main surface of the beach towel out of the terry cloth and cut the cushion and trim out of the cushion fabric. You will also need back straps, one 90 cm and two 65 cm for the carry handle. Let's get started with the main surface of the beach towel. First, iron over the long edges of the trim strips on the left side. This is particularly quick and easy using a tape maker. Fold these pre-ironed stripes back open and then pin them onto the long edges of the beach towel right on left. Stitch the trim tape into place precisely along the ironed edges, securing the start and end of your seam with back stitches. Place the tape around the edge and pin the folded edge in place over the joined seam. Sew the tape strips close to the edge. Apply trim to the other long edge of the beach towel in the same way. Now also apply trim to the bottom edge of the beach towel using a pre-ironed strip. Pin the tape in place right on left with open edges along the bottom edge. The margins should protrude at the sides. Sew the tape in place. Fold the trim right sides together at the ends and stitch the narrow sides together. Turn the tape the other way out, iron the edges and pin the folded edge in place over the joined seam. Now you can stitch up the trim tape using narrow stitches. Now it's time for the cushion. Lay the cushion along the top edge of the beach towel right sides together with the margins protruding at the sides. Pin and then stitch the top edges on top of one another. Iron into the cushion the sewing margins and the excess on the other long edge of the cushion. Fold the cushion right sides together and pin stitch the narrow sides together. Turn the cushion the other way out. Then fill the cushion with polyester filling until you are happy with the volume. Pin the folded edge in place over the joined seam and sew inwards in the seam groove to stitch the edge in place. Now we want to carry this beach towel securely and in style, so we are also making a carry handle. To do this, we will use two shorter straps that will go around the beach towel and a longer strap that you can easily carry on your shoulder. To make it easy to pack the beach towel down, we're also going to attach press fasteners to the shorter straps. First, fold over the ends of the longer straps by about 6 cm. Insert the piercing tool into the VARIO tool and punch a hole in each. Then insert the tubular rivet tool and rivet the straps in place using a tubular rivet. Fold over the ends of the short back straps by about 3 cm. Use the piercing tool to pierce the holes. When attaching the press fasteners, make sure they're on the correct side of the fabric. First, insert the tool for the top part of the press fasteners and rivet the top part of the press fastener in place. Insert the tool for the bottom part of the press fastener and affix the bottom parts of the press fasteners. Now you just need to feed the fastener straps through the loops. And now your beach towel and handy carry strap are finished. We want to say thank you to our partner Prym. We hope you had lots of fun sewing, punching and riveting with us. Until the next installment of Sewing with Burda.